Hey guys, this is Lorena and welcome to my channel. In today's video, mag-haul tayo. So yes guys, I have another Morphe package here. So I will be doing another Morphe unboxing or Morphe haul video. I did another online shopping from morphe.com. So yes, so Morphe website, and nandito na siya. So andito na agad siya, and yeah, Morphe website or morphe.com or Morphe Cosmetics. Palagi silang may sale. They have sale all the time, like 50% off. And on my previous video, I did the try on or first impression of the Morphe eyebrow kit. So in that first impression video guys, I mentioned it there that I want to try the other shade of their eyebrow products. Straight away after I filmed that video, I went to their website and checked if the products or the eyebrow products is on sale, and yes, they're on sale that time, and nandito na sila. So in this video guys, I will make sure that I will be talking full English in this video to be fair with my other viewers that their language is not Tagalog, right? Yes, so let's open this box right here. So I have also another unboxing video guys, that's like Morphe unboxing in the car. Also I will link it somewhere here. Yeah, by the way guys, if you are new here, welcome guys to my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also guys, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like unboxing or haul video. Right, so let's open this one up. I will open this one. As you can see, it's all sealed, and I will be right back. I will just open the sealed part so that this video will not take too long. So hey guys, now the box is open, and here are the shopping or damage that I did. Guys, I created this video like all Morphe because yeah, wala lang. So here's the packaging. It's all wrapped with bubble wrap for protection, of course. When I ordered this one guys, I emailed the Morphe customer service that if they're able to send me mga sampler of mga makeup so that I have an idea what to buy next. And then I just checked my email before I film, and they said due to the situation they don't have sampler at the moment, but that's okay. So I bought quite a lot. So on my eyebrow first impression, so I will just insert quick the thumbnail of that video. Yeah, so on that Morphe that I did, I only got one item when I bought that eyebrow kit. So this one, the docket, put it back in the box. So here's what I got. So I remember I bought another gel, eyebrow gel. I got 2 eyebrow gel. So I got hooked with the Morphe online store or website because of their 50% off or sale all the time. Wait, I'm just gonna get the other shade that I got here. So This is the shade that I got. This is the chocolate mousse. So I already have review on this one, and if you wanna know my thoughts on this, just please check the video down in the description box. So I will insert the retail price if they're not on sale, but this one I got it for $6 each, half price. Yep. So this one I got the shade latte. I got the shade latte. This one is the latte shade. Yes, what's the latte shade? Let's compare it. Okay, I'm going to open the chocolate mousse. This is the darkest shade that they have in there. I'm going to open, and this is the mocha, right? And also I will be going to open it so that we can compare the shades. So the mocha is a bit dark. Okay, this is a mocha, latte, and chocolate mousse. So the chocolate mousse is the darkest one in their website, and I wanna try this lighter shade. Yep, right. And then next in the pack, I also got mga eyebrow products. I got a pencil, because also on the chocolate mousse I have also the pencil on that one. So I got the mocha, and what's this? What shade are you? Almond. Okay, so I got the shade mocha and almond. So yes guys, so the reason why I bought almond shade, because it's not for myself. I will use it for my client. So Morphe website, guys, I like it now. I like their website because it's easy to find all the items, their sale, especially their sale items. And yeah, and they always have 50% off. These pencils right here are micro kind of pencil. It's really thin, and I swatch it for you guys. So the dark one is the mocha, and the lighter shade is the almond. Yep. Then let's put this one back in to protect the pencil, and then next in the bubble wrap is this one. So I also got a contour stick in the shade don't know, wait, let's open it up. The Morphe packaging are uniform. So yes, so as you can see there, they're all the same. And I've noticed that their packaging is more on black. And yeah, so I got the shade. So that's the shade, guys. And yeah, and let's swatch this one. So I'm going to swatch it for you guys. Oh, that's the shade. This is contour stick. Yep. So that's the Morphe contour stick. So this is the Morphe contour stick in the shade Effect. Yeah, Effect number 16. Yun pala. I'm blending it here. Parang it's too dark naman. we'll see. We'll work this one out. And then I have this one here. This one is the concealer. So I got concealer from the website. That's the shade. I think I got the lighter shade. What shade is this? The shade is... So that's the shade. I can't read it. So this is the first concealer that I have from Morphe Cosmetics. Yeah, it's a bit light, but it doesn't matter. Let's swatch this one here. Oh, not bad. There's a strong smell on this one. There's a scent on it. It's a very like chemically kind of scent. Oh, it's just like when you first applied it, but now the scent or the smell is gone. So that's the concealer here and the contour here. So they're all gone. And then next, I got 2 items left. So how many I got? 2, 6. So I got 8 items from Morphe.com. So yeah. So and then the last 2 items that I bought is this one, a makeup brush. Yeah. So I already lots of Morphe makeup brushes. So I got the James Charles, and I also have 2 more brushes that I got online. So that's my first unboxing video. The brushes, so I got 12 set of eye essential brushes. I'll just go quick there and show it to you guys. So this one right here, this makeup brushes right here is a collaboration of James Strauss and the Morphe Cosmetics. So that's the brushes. I haven't used it yet. And also these brushes right here, I got 2 of these. So marami na. So I have plenty of brushes already. And again, I haven't used them yet. And this one right here, it's only 4 brushes. So what brushes are these? Oh, eyebrow brush. There's no number in it. There's no number what kind of brushes. We'll just check James Strauss. On James Strauss brushes, there is number on it. This one, wala. And also the other one, this one, there's no number, so you don't know what number of brushes when you're going to use them. But yeah, and then the last item that I got is the eyeshadow palette. This one is the A10F Token Flirty. This is 18 shades that tempt and tease. So this is the packaging. So I like their packaging. It's all uniform, black. And here's the palette. It's bubble wrapped, and that's the front. And here's the back. And now let's open it. Let's face it to you guys. Ah, wow. Unbelievable. That's so cute. Yep. Wait, this one come up. There is a acrylic. Oh wow, I like it. Nice. This is like purple on this side, and the neutrals on this other side right here. Yeah. So So I got this palette because I wanna try to wear purple eye makeup or eye look. So yeah, I like the color combination on this one. So I like the size of this palette, good for travel, and the mirror is big. And that's my setup right there. Yes, and on my next video guys, I will probably trying the lighter shade of their eyebrow gel or pomade, and also I will be using the pencil. So alright guys, that's it for this Morphe unboxing or haul kind of video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also guys, please ring the bell for me so that you will be notified every time I have new uploads. It's either a Jawa video or a beauty related video like this one. Alright guys, that's it, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys! Mwah! Tapos na ang aking unboxing!